Welcome to Breakout EDU. It's time to play Turkey Trouble. Materials and locks setup. You need the Breakout EDU box with a hasp, word lock set to teeth, direction lock to up, left, right, up, 4-digit lock to 1863, and the key hidden near a turkey image. You will also need the 3-digit lock box or the small box with the 3-digit lock, UV flashlight, UV pen, and there's an option for using the Locks app in place of the direction lock. Game setup. On the large breakout box, place inside a copy of the Tom Turkey Pardon. Place 1 copy for each group, and then on the box, place the direction lock, 4-digit lock, key lock, and word lock with the hasp. Inside the 3-digit lock box, you will put a copy of the turkey grid coordinates, put a copy for each group. On the box, you need to put the eyes, feathers, beak clue, and somewhere in the room you're going to want to place the UV flashlight so everyone will have access to it. The clue for the 3-digit lock has 3 parts: the turkey image, the parts of turkey and value chart, and the eyes, feathers, beak strip that is on the 3-digit box. The students will see that the eyes on the chart have a value of 4. The turkey has 2 eyes. That's a total of 8. The feathers, they will see there are 7 feathers. The feathers have a value of 1. That equals 7. And the beak, there's 1 beak with a value of 5, and they'll get the combination 875. You have 2 choices with the key. You may either hide the image of the turkey with the key, 1 for each group. When the students find that, then they turn it into you when they need the key. Or place the images of the turkey around the room within sight and then hide the key within 1 or 2 feet of the turkey image. If you have more than 1 key, then you can keep 1 or 2 keys hidden at all times. For the word lock clue, the students will arrange the word cards in the correct order so that they get the question, what is the best thing to put into a pumpkin pie? They will need to figure out the answer is teeth. There is an answer card that should help them, and they may need additional help with the letters printed on the pieces of pumpkin pie. You can give them just the letters they need. You can give them extra letters. It really is up to you as you know your students best and what they'll need. The clue for the direction lock uses the turkey grid and the coordinates that were locked in the 3-digit lock box. When students figure out the coordinates, 3, 2 is up, 4, 1 left, 1, 3 is right, and 5, 3 is up. There are instructions on the game webpage on how you can use the Locks app in place of the direction lock. When the students put in the correct combination, it will reveal a message, and when they tell you the message, you will then hand them the letter, which is part of the clue to the 4-digit lock. The first part of the 4-digit lock clue uses the UV light and the vegetable images. On each of the vegetable images, you need to write the numbers 1 on the potato, 8 on the broccoli, 6 on the corn, and 3 on the pumpkin. The students will use the UV flashlight, and they will find those numbers. They need the letter from the president describing the president's Thanksgiving dinner to figure out the order that the numbers go in. There are 3 versions of the letter, 3 different levels. Depending on the age of your students, you will know which one you want to use. And when all the locks are off the box, the students will find a copy of the certificate telling Tom Turkey he has been pardoned by the President of the United States. Make sure you have 1 copy of the certificate for each group. And then it's time to celebrate, take pictures. Winner, winner, vegetable dinner. We broke out. Those signs are all in the resources folder. Hope you enjoyed playing Turkey Trouble. If you have any questions, email Patty at breakoutedu.com.